We're at Bolton Spinal in Bolton, believe it or not. And we're going to go and see my chiropractor, James. I've not told him we're doing this video, I'm just going to do a video because I'm just nice like that and I want to give James a video. I get chiropractor done once a month, just for alignment. Doing a lot of gymming with Will. You know, that's Will. Just a little guy, yeah. Just trying to show him the ropes with his new rogue belt and his straps. Let's go see James. Fancy name, isn't it? It's expensive. It's a Bolton Spinal. Yeah, we'll have a cracking time. Let's see if Tim's name's on the board. I don't think it is. The name's not on the board, is it?
Is it not?
Just
I'm a bit behind.
how behind?
About 10 minutes. You'll be alright.
Yeah, I'm not going to put that on video. One time, everything's running smoothly. Look at that photo there.
Oh no. I won't live with that.
Tell me about this machine. What is it? Are you actually putting, because like if, say like someone's got a trapped nerve, is it about automatically kind of sort of like pulling somebody into it and leaving it in a position?
So usually, in the lower back,
Yeah.
they'll be anchored in from the top and they'll have a harness on at the bottom, on the waist, and it will physically pull at different tensions, so we'll ease you into that, and every session will increase it, and you'll feel more and more of a stretch.
For compressing your spine?
It'll decompress the spine and allow the nutrients to get into the areas and help with it, create the healing.
Hi Tim.
My pal.
You okay? Yeah, not bad, my man.
This is where James is.
Hey, you're
Hey,
right.
how you doing? You alright? Okay. Let's have a little look.
Just been in the IDD room now.
Oh, you had a little look?
It's
Yeah.
some machine there, isn't
It
it?
is, it's good, it's good. And I want to make a little rehab area there as well.
Yeah.
But we're getting around to it. Okay. Alright, good. We will just turn head to the left as far as you can. Good, and to the right as far as you can. Okay, back to the middle. Alright, fantastic. Have a seat on the bench there. Right, turning this way. You been training yet today, Tim, or later?
No, I'm having a bit of a day off.
Day off today.
Yeah.
Okay. Well done, well done. All right, good. Right, let's turn onto your back, please. You might not have seen a treatment before, so you might be chasing me around a bit. And stuff, really, but we'll get there. Alright, so get some good bits on your pec muscle, but a bit of cross friction across there. Oh! Yeah, okay, well done. Okay, maybe not so bad on this right side, Tim.
Yeah.
Feel?
Yeah, it's fine, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Good. Alright, middle there. Okay, breath in. Good. Okay, and then for this one, just head up towards me, Tim. Okay, good, and breath out. Yeah, that's it. Fantastic. Okay, mum. Okay, that's it. And breath out. Good. Okay, great. Okay. All right. Breath in again, Tim. Nice. Okay.
Oof. Not very deep, is that?
Good. Okay, on your front for me. Last few things. Wrong voice there. Lower the traps as well. Okay, alright, have a seat up now, Tim, that's great. You drinking enough water in the office and everything, are you?
Yeah.
You guys, you're not a caffeine person, Tim, are you too much?
Not really, no.
No, good. Alright, that's fine, fantastic, all done, okay? Just tell,
Alright,
you
so-
tell Michelle
Yeah, we'll do.
to put it in as a re-exam for me, that would be really helpful. Alright?
Last one, James.
Good.
See you in a bit.
Thanks very much, guys.
See you
Okay,
later.
all done. Thank you. Okay.
See you later.
Guys.
That's not a good sign.
Loosey goosey, man. Loosey goosey. Yeah, so we can do a 2 week on a Wednesday at 12 or something like that, Michelle, please. Thanks, Michelle.
Okay.
See you soon. See you later. See you later. And that's it. Bolton Chiro. Spinal. Bolton Spinal Chiro. Bolton Spinal Chiro. Bolton Spinal Chiro. No, it's just Bolton Spinal. What is it? No. Anyway,
Bolton
just type in
Clinic.
Bolton Spinal. See James, yeah. It's at Newlands 315. If you know Bolton, it's near Retreat. Yeah? There, look. Only factors here. No, it's not. It's Bolton Spinal Health. Yeah? Bolton Spinal Health. Bye, Michelle. I know you can see us. Bye. Bruce. Oh.